loves, welcome back to another hair tutorial. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be a wash and go using the Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals hair line. I'm going to be using every single product that I'm showing you out of this beautiful box that they sent me. All of these products are legit because when you see the results at the end, you will be amazed of how it did for my hair on the first day. And also, all of these products are moderately priced, so $10 under, which is perfect for a college student like me. Now, I'm going to be using the shampoo first, which is the coconut milk and honey shampoo. I really liked how this shampoo was able to help me detangle in the shower because it's more on the liquidy side. And then I followed up with the coconut milk and honey hair mask. Now, when I applied this hair mask, I applied it in 4 sections and I left it in my hair for about 20 minutes. It says 10 to 20 minutes, but I always let my hair mask or deep conditioner stay longer. I just feel like the longer the better. And these are the results when I rinsed it out, and I'm going to go ahead and start to get ready to style my hair. Now I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner, which is more of a liquidy spray consistency, which is why they have, of course, the spray nozzle on it. You can kind of see me struggle a little bit with the spray bottle. Because my hair is so thick, I kind of like tend to spray it in my hand and then apply it. I just feel like it's better that way. Jamaican Mango and Lime Pure Naturals gave me these products to try out, and I highly recommend them based on my results. Now I'm going to be using their styling oil or the spray oil. You can use this in multiple ways, but technically what I'm doing is trying to do the lock method. So I put my leave-in conditioner, the oil will act as the oil, and then I'm going to use the curl cream. So LOC, liquid oil cream. So I also use this at the end of the video. You'll see me use that. But after I applied this, I went ahead and sectioned off the section that I wanted to camouflage, only because it's not curling as much right now. I still have to grow that section out and cut it off a little bit. But I'm going to add a little braid, so I'm kind of spicing up my wash and go, and I'm going to be adding hair charms, but you'll see at the end of the video how it turned out. After I did the braid, I went ahead and sectioned my hair off in 3 sections, and then within each section I did a subsection. You want to make sure you do that, especially if you have thick hair. You want to make sure you get every single strand. So as far as applying the products, I'm going to be using my spray bottle first. I always like to re-wet my hair. I always feel like when you apply products onto soaking wet hair, it just adheres better to the strands. It makes the curls pop more. So after I spray the bottle, I kind of rake my fingers through to kind of just activate the curls again. And then I'm going to be taking the curl cream. Now when I apply the curl cream, I do the same thing. Just apply it and kind of rake it through my hair. And then I take the gel, which is fairly new to their line, and I do the exact same thing. So if you want an in-depth way of how I like do each strand, I do have a wash and go routine video already on my channel, but it's basically the same thing. I do the same routine, and I really like how these products mesh together. This gel is like on the liquidy consistency side, so not really sticky, which is super great as far as wanting to have big hair early on in the week, especially on the first day. I know sometimes whenever you use gels, it can have like a gel cast and it won't like allow your hair to be too big the first day. You kind of have to like wear it in. But this gel has such a light hold, but also such a great hold. It even held up in the humid climate that I'm in. So I really give this gel 10 stars, especially for the price. A little did go a long way as well. So again, I just put my leave-in conditioner, water, curl cream, and then I applied the gel. And I'm kind of just shingling the gel through, just defining each coil or strand of curl. And that's basically all I do. So at the end, you'll definitely see how defined it made my hair. It's very, very important not to touch your hair too much after you're done with it. I did end up letting it air dry for about 1 to 2 hours before I diffused it. And when I diffused it on low, medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now I'm taking these styling oil, spray oil again, and I'm just spraying it throughout my hair. And then I spray it in my hands. And this is something I kind of like to do now. Spray it in my hands and then kind of scrunch it and rub it through my hair. This breaks any type of gel cast there may be in your hair, and it kind of like allows your hair to fluff and breathe and just make it more uniform instead of like in this stiff shape hold. And then you just kind of shake around and fluff. And you can see my little hidden braid that kind of camouflage any of those loose pieces a little bit. And I added some hair charms to kind of spice it up. But look how big my hair is on the first day. Like, I absolutely love the results. I love how this product agreed with my hair, especially in the humidity. So yeah, so that's basically all I do as far as my curly hair routine. These products are amazing. Like I said, they're moderately priced, so $10 and under, so you really get a lot for your money. And these products went a long way, and I'm heavy-handed, so I didn't even have to use too much to get this look. And also, I'm going to show you guys how I preserve this hairstyle. I got about 4 to 5 days out of this wash and go. And what I like to do is kind of do the whole tie-up method now instead of covering my hair as far as a pineapple, because I do sleep on a satin/silk pillowcase. I really suggest you investing in that. I just like to sleep this way instead. It's just really easy to do this. I do have another video that I will link below showing you how I do the other method of tying my hair up. And then in the morning, you just take it down, shake it, and fluff it out. And that is it. Absolutely love Pure Naturals, so shout out to them. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.